Happy Teardown Thursday. Today we are going to be talking about a lead magnet that can apply to any business. I've been talking a lot lately about businesses that are tech companies and SaaS companies and everything else. But this example right here is something that you can directly apply to your business, whether or not you're an online business or have a brick and mortar business. What I am actually talking about today is Alex Hormozi's $100 million leads and actually his entire ecosystem. I want to just briefly go over this with you and show you how his process and his system actually works and what you can actually take from Alex to actually start scaling your business with the leads. If you're interested in writing your own book, yes, because that is what we're going to be getting into. It's the bottom line here of writing your own book to build authority for your business and gain more leads and traction and revenue, then I'm going to drop my link down below for my course, Book Your Authority, that shows you how to write your expert authority book and get that published within 30 days. So let's go ahead and get into today's lead magnet teardown. This is Alex's $100 million leads. And actually, I'm just going to be talking about the entire ecosystem here. So if we look, Alex has written not one, not two, but three books on leads, offers, and everything else that you can need for your business and something that you can actually learn and apply for your business. So these are his three books here: $100 million offers, $100 million leads, $100 million money models. Okay. The one we're really going to focus on today is $100 million leads, because it's very important that you actually have leads for your business. But I love the way that Alex has done this. So if you live under a rock and you don't know who Alex Hormozi is, basically he is a guru. He owned a gym. Now he has an investment company here, acquisition.com. And he has written all three of these books. And all of the launches have been absolutely amazing. So I'm not really going to go over that launch process as something that you would go over and do in your business, because his launches are very extravagant. But the principle is the same, is that he is using books to build his authority, and he's also using books to get more leads into his business. And then the third thing about this is not that he only has one book, two books, he has three books. And so therefore he has a series of books that is helping him generate all these leads and traffic for his business. Okay. And Alex himself came from humble beginnings. He didn't have much growing up, and when he was trying to start his gym business, so he specifically goes after those from the beginner who are just starting a business or trying to start a business, all the way up to companies that he can actually acquire within his business here, acquisition.com. So I'm going to go ahead and take you to $100 million leads. I actually have the book here myself. His books are, as you can see, they're pretty big. So these are like workbooks, basically. He is telling you everything that you need to know in order to get more leads for your business. So the way this is working, basically, aside from Alex's very large launch and his anticipation between the launches for his books, basically what he is doing is he is building his authority by writing the book on leads, offers, and money models. In addition to that, having the series. If for some reason someone does not know who Alex is, they can come across one of these three books, therefore get information from one of them, and then realize he's written two more, and then potentially go on to purchase the other two books. So this is how this works. Alex's system is excellent. As someone who has written books myself, someone who has written a book series myself, this is awesome, because as you can see here, Alex actually has this book for sale on his website, acquisition.com. But if you had gone to the last book launch, which was the Money Models, which is a couple months back, he actually sold the book for shipping only. And he did pre-sales, pre-orders. Okay. So that's how much the book cost beforehand. So it was like $9.95 for shipping here in the US. After that, you are able to actually purchase the book on his website here, or you can actually purchase it on Amazon. So I actually got my $100 million leads copy on Amazon because I didn't participate in the launch for this book. So I didn't get the pre-sale and the shipping only. So I got this off Amazon, and you have that ability to get it off Amazon. Like I said, get it off his website here. But the thing about it is Alex is not only selling books. Alex is selling his expertise, basically. So these books have everything you need to know as far as building an offer, a money model, or getting leads and traffic to your business. The thing about it is Alex gives away so much value. He gives away so much value if you watch his YouTube videos, in addition to having his books. In addition to, he also has courses that are based upon these books. So Alex is giving away a lot of free information for businesses. And I will say that this is something that can be easily replicated for any business model. Like I said, he started out in gyms, and so that was a brick and mortar type deal because that was pre-pandemic. And so now he is more in the online space because he is a co-investor of school or co-founder of school, and he has acquisition.com to where he's actually investing in other companies. So the tactics, in this book basically are going to help you get leads. And he's telling you specific things within the book, like the core four in order to get traffic and how to get more eyes on your business. But his real strategy, so he has the core four in his book, he has everything laid out in his book. He has these major launch events to launch these books, right? But the key strategy with Alex is writing the actual book itself. The key strategy is not only writing the book itself, but also giving it all away. Like, this is something I highly encourage. He's not holding anything back because only if you will implement, and a lot of people are not going to know how to implement like you implement. And if they can, more power to them. And then the next thing is that he is actually doing a book series. So he has a 3-series book series that helps take people in different places to different places within their business if they are trying to grow. So this is a completely different lead magnet teardown this week, but I'm all for it to help the average business owner versus a huge tech company, right? So we're not all there yet, but the average business owner can learn so much just from Alex's strategy here. And so basically, Alex has done this, and he has done so well with this particular type of model that this is anything, it's something that anyone could do, right? All right, so what exactly can you take from Alex's book launch strategy and writing a book to actually grow your business? So, what you have with Alex, why this all works is because he has a massive perceived value, because he basically gave away an entire manual here for $10, okay? $10 shipping and handling, in addition to a free course. So each one of his books actually has a free course on the actual website of acquisition.com. So he's giving away massive value. Like I said, he's not holding anything back. He is telling you what you need to know to grow, scale your business, and he's not holding anything back like a lot of people do. Number 2 is that he is giving away over $100 million worth of knowledge, and it creates an enormous psychological debt, right? Because people are thinking, my gosh, he's giving away so much, if I am using this, and this is, something that I only paid $10 for as a lead magnet. Okay, number 1. So sometimes lead magnets are paid. You have a little bit of payment. And in this instance, this is a lead magnet that is paid. Okay, so this lead magnet is paying him, and the person coming in is actually paying a small amount for a massive value. Okay. So the next thing is authority positioning. I talk about this a lot, authority positioning with this book and the other two. So this demonstrates his expertise by literally writing the book on the leads and the offers and the money model. Next is a low barrier to entry. Okay. Asking for shipping costs feels reasonable and creates commitment through payment. You don't have to do that with your book. You can go ahead and give your book away for free. You can sell it for 99 cents. You can sell it for $27. Whatever you want, you can actually do with your book. So you don't have to do that shipping costs, because a lot of people now aren't actually shipping physical books like this. Alex has the budget to go ahead and get these books printed and shipped. The average entrepreneur may not have that budget. So I would recommend sending ebooks instead. So what exactly can you steal from this strategy? So you can steal as far as creating something with massive upfront value that positions you as the authority in your space. And what we're talking about, obviously, are books. Next is that I mentioned you can use that free shipping if you're going to do a print book. I would not do a print book. I would go ahead and do an ebook. And then the next thing is package your knowledge into a comprehensive resource rather than a simple PDF. Okay, so I do talk about lead magnets. I do talk about having multiple lead magnets. This goes into your actual library of lead magnets. So this is not going to be your be all end all lead magnet, okay? Because only a certain segment of your audience is going to want to actually read a book. Your other lead magnets are still bringing people into your atmosphere, your circle, and everything else. So, but this right here is going to be your ultimate lead magnet to build that expertise. So you do have lead magnets, you have other lead magnets, but they may not actually build the type of expertise that you are looking for certain types of clients. Okay. Next up is that we have to lead with education and value before any sales pitch. Obviously, the book sells his courses and his other products naturally. So we know that he is a co-founder of school. So his books are going to sell school memberships. His books are going to have people get into his course. His books are going to have people book a call. All of that is going to happen because he is actually writing these books and using these books as his lead magnet. Okay. So the numbers. So I don't have any numbers for Alex, right? But his last launch with $100 million offers or money models was absolutely huge. I mean, I watched maybe like the first 3 hours. The event went on forever and they had like a running total of how much money he made that day. I think he actually won a Guinness Book award for how much money he made that day, I believe, because Guinness was there. So he made a lot of money from the book and the event process, okay? So you don't have to do a major event. Just write the book, okay? So given his audience size and authority, his numbers are going to be significantly higher than the average entrepreneur. So the bottom line is that this isn't just a lead magnet. This is a complete authority building, relationship nurturing system, okay? And it's disguised as a book. It's actually disguised as a book series, which makes Alex even more smart because he wrote a series instead of just one book, okay? So any business can adapt this model by creating a comprehensive book that showcases their expertise while providing genuine value up front. Okay. Anyone can do this. And I know a lot of people are probably scared of writing a book, don't know what to expect, don't know how to do it, but you can write a book. And I go through all of that in my course, Book Your Authority. I'll have the link down below if you're interested in that. And I can get your book written and published, or get you to write your book and publish it within 30 days in this course. And I mean, you need to build your authority. And we see people like Alex building his authority, increasing his lead circle, increasing the traffic to all of his businesses simply because he wrote the book. Okay? So if you have any questions about anything about this week's lead magnet teardown, anything else like that, let me know. I want you to like the video, share it, and I'll see you on the next video.